children of various ages will come gather here to watch performances of art. Years have gone by and the Limbe Botanical Garden is now inhabited by birds and nature. This is the theater where much was done. Today, it is left for history. Thank you for joining me, Chebuzi, and we are discovering the Limbe Botanical Garden. Follow me as I take you on this ride. First, from here. Once upon a time, in a colonial town placed on the southern slopes of Mount Cameroon, named Victoria, now Limbe, King Charles, then Prince, was received at this over 4,000-seat amphitheater. The jungle village was the center of sociocultural activities in the late 50s, the 60s, and 70s, as music and drama entertained the masses here. It became the arena of light and unity with the choral displays and orchestral touches. Lodged under a canopy of green spreading trees, the beauty of the surrounding nature is compelling. The memories to many who lived it are imposing and unforgettable. This is but one of the treasures hidden in the Limbe Botanical Garden. Opened in 1892 by a German team led by Dr. Paul Press, a horticulturalist, it was a trial garden, a center for experimentation and acclimatization of useful tropical species such as rubber, coffee, cocoa, oil palm, banana, teak, and sugarcane, which were destined for Cameroon and other German colonies. The garden has around 1,500 groups of plants, 1,000 herbaceous and 50 woody plants. Here, rare or threatened plants are protected. The botanical garden also houses a herbarium which held around 21,000 specimens in 2001 and more recently 30,000. Parting the cool, refreshing touristic side from the rest of the busy French city is the Limbe River, and to the rest of the world, the Atlantic Ocean, whose waves die at the edge of a garden. It is the beauty of nature that many choose to come enjoy alone, in friendship or in love, with birds quacking perfect peace into every troubled heart and forever together into every union. The Limbe Botanical Garden tells a rich story of the colonial heritage and historical evolution of Cameroon. The Commonwealth War graves of 1914, located in the garden, says it all. These graves stand as a memorial to the British Commonwealth soldiers who lost their lives during the British occupation of West Africa. With 18 tombstones, the epitaph reads, "To the memory of these 18 soldiers who lie buried elsewhere in Victoria, in Sanakan, and Mamfe, their glory shall not be blotted out." Counted today amongst the most important tropical botanical gardens in Africa, the Limbe Botanical Garden remains a center of nature's beauty, for a walk in nature walks the soul back